All power is inherent in the people. We are the Oregon Statewide Jural Assembly, and many of us are with peoplesrights.org. We meet on Skype most Mondays at 7 p.m. You will be notified. Our function is to return Oregon to a constitutional Republican form of government through a grand jury process. Following is a 5-minute read, then there are some attachments. We are seeking grand jury, trial jury members to take these ogres to trial. Briefly, we are in a benevolent, predatory form of martial law from D.C., United States Incorporated governance in some form since 1861. Its name is the Lieber Code, that's Lieber, from Lincoln's Executive Order 100 in color of law. We had a constitutional Republican form of government from 1819 to 1860 or 61. From 1776 to 1819, it was changing from an overthrown monarchy. Most of the people from 1776 to 1819, the people at large, were not convinced for a long time. There really is an active conspiracy. The industrial, military, judicial, legislative, executive, banker, bar, royalist, communist, Muslim, Georgia Guidestone complex. This does not involve the true constitutional Republican form of government on each of the several states. As long as there are still people, that is, the body, mind, spirit, as juxtaposed to person, the all-cap name corporate fiction, all power is inherent in the people. Rather than being subdivisions of the U.S. Inc., each state is an autonomous nation, each with its own constitution. All power is inherent in the people. The number of people is not specified, and a majority is not required, as we are not a democracy. The several states of the Union are the creator party to the United States of America's Constitution. The people at large are beneficiaries. The people at large are the creator party to their state's constitutions. The state of Oregon's incorporated governance is color of law, operated by the Salem oligarchy, aka Kate Brown et al., which is a subdivision of the D.C. United States as originally incorporated during Lincoln's era. I think each state of the other 49 is about the same, a little more carrot or a little more stick. To remove the Lieber Code, martial law, the method is clear and written down by the de facto. The Lieber Code of Lincoln's Executive Order 100 is nullified by a civilian court on the land. So says SCOTUS ex parte Milligan. There was zero civilian courts on the land of Oregon until ours. I was told there is one on Texas, one on Philadelphia, and one on Georgia. I've been unable to prove this. I do know there is no Article III court that will claim original jurisdiction. They have acquiesced, so we, the people, must do it ourselves. The Army Heritage Center verified the Lieber Code was updated and still in effect in 2015. No known changes since then. The Judge Advocate General Attorney, acronym JAG, knew exactly what I was talking about. A method of returning Oregon to a constitutional Republican form of government we assembled our First Amendment Oregon Statewide Jural Assembly 3 years ago. We notified the DOJ, the USMS, FBI, 36 sheriffs, 30 senators, AG, governor, SOS lawfully, and none rebutted our claim. They all acquiesced and defaulted. We formed Article 1, Section 1 of Oregon's Constitution and informed all the same ones. We formed our civilian court of record and informed all the same ones. Through ex parte Milligan's authority, we nullified Lieber Code martial law, not one rebuttal. We informed the Oregon National Guard, Oregon Organized Militias JAG, and they are not happy and have talked back and hung up. We are awaiting an appointment with their commanding General Michael Stencil. We are forming a 45-member grand jury pool and trial jury pool of Oregonians. that is, non-U.S. citizens, to bring forth true bills against the evildoers on Oregon. Then we implement Article 3, Amendment 7. This is a template for the other states. All power is inherent in the people.